Hello students, welcome back in a new session.
In this session, we will discuss relational operator. So relational operators compare the values on either sides of them and decide the relation among them. These operators are known as comparison operators as well as relational operators. Relational operators are used for comparing the values. It either returns true or false depending upon the conditions. These operator checks relation between the operands, that is variable values, and gives Boolean results that may be true or false. Or relational operator evaluates the expression and gives Boolean results. For example, we have two variables a and b. A contains the value 1000 and b contains 500, and we applied the operator, relational operator here, that is greater than, a is greater than b. Here greater than checks whether a is greater than b or not. If it is correct, then true Boolean result will come, otherwise false Boolean result will come. So here we have some common relational operators, that is greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to and not equal to. One more symbol of not equal to is also like this or this. Both are correct here. If we discuss one by one, then first one is greater than. If the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand, then the condition becomes true. For example, if we have a variable a, it contains the value of 1000 and b contains the value of 500. So according to greater than operator, a is greater than will be true because a have the greater than value than b, and a is less than b is not true. Now the second one is less than. In less than operator, if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand, and the condition becomes true. In this example, if we have 500 assigned to a variable, 1000 for b variable b, then a is less than b is true and a is greater than b is not true. Now next one is greater than or equal to. If the value of left operand, this is the left operand, is greater than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. Here we have 1000 or 1100 for variable a, 1000 for variable b. So if we applied this condition, then a is greater than or equals to b, means a is greater than or equal to b, then the condition becomes satisfied and it will produce the display of as true. In this, a is less than b means a is having the lesser value than b. That is not true. It will produce the false. Okay. Now we talk about the next one, that is less than or equal to. In this, the value of left operand is less than or equal to the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. Here we have 1000 for a variable and 1000 or 1100 for b variable. Now the next one is equal to and equal to. If the value of two operands a and b are equal to, then the condition becomes true. Here is an example. Now the next one is not equal to. So if the value of two operands are not equal, then the condition becomes true. Here we use two kind of symbols, not equal to like this and not equal to like this. We can use any one of them and apply the certain condition. So this all about the different operators which we use inside the Python programming. Now let's take an example in real environment. So this is the shell interactive mode. Here we have two variables a and b. A contains 1000 and b contains 500. Now if we apply the conditions, a is greater than b, and it will give the answer true because a had the greater than value. Then if we apply a is less than b, it will be false. Something like this, if we apply a is greater than equal to b, then it will be true. So for it, I may change the value over a equals to so something like this. If I have the two different values for variable a equals to suppose 1000 or 1200 and b equals to 500. And if I apply a is greater than equal to b, and b produces true, and a is less than equals to b, it produces false. Okay. So here we a equals to 1000, b equals to 1000, a equal to, that is true. Okay. That's all about the relational operator. Thank you.
I hope you got some valuable information from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.